Step into a luxurious space, perfect to chase academic success, make lifelong friends, and collect travel souvenirs at June Homes 11238 New York. Choose from stylish studios and lavish non-en suites, complete with a cozy bed for restful sleeps, tons of storage, and a fully equipped kitchen for culinary adventures. Enjoy your main character energy on the balcony, or catch up on your favorite shows with high-speed internet. Share yummy meals with friends in the dining area, and tackle heaps of laundry with the on-site facilities. Located just a few minutes from New York University and Brooklyn Law School, so you can get to class in style and on time always. Your explorations around the Big Apple are made easy. Hop on the subway from Franklin Avenue Subway Station or Clinton Washington Avenue Station, or catch the bus from Fulton Street or Bergen Street stops. A world of savory escapades surrounds this property with popular restaurants and cafes. So, hurry and book your spot at June Homes 11238 New York today via amberstudent.com before it slips away.